Hello viewers, welcome again to the Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you on baking tips. First of all, if you have a cold eggs from your fridge, like here I have a cold eggs, set of cold eggs of 12. I just need 4 and I'm going to do some baking, and I thought of like making this video for you to how to warm up your eggs to be in room temperature. Like most of the recipes calls for room temperature eggs, so today I'm going to show you a room temperature eggs. So I have a bowl of warmed water. I pre-warmed it in a microwave about a minute, and I'm going to drop off them gently, and leave it there for 10 minutes or 15 minutes and your eggs comes to a room temperature. So try it again and see how it turns out. If you have any comments, please do leave your comments below and I will respond to it accordingly. And also please subscribe, share this video with your friends, and happy cooking.